Today we are going to talk about a simple but powerful question. Should everyone read books? Some people say reading books is boring. Some people say reading books is only for students. Some people say we do not need books because we have internet. But is that true? In this video, we will understand why reading books is important, how books change our thinking, and whether everyone should develop the habit of reading.
What does it mean to read books?
Reading books means spending time with written knowledge. It means learning from the experience and ideas of other people. Books can be about stories, history, science, self-improvement, or life lessons. Books are silent teachers. They do not shout, they do not force, but they teach deeply. Why people avoid reading books? Many people avoid reading books because they think it is difficult. Some people say they have no time. People say they feel sleepy while reading. Some people prefer mobile phones and videos. The truth is not that people hate books. The truth is that people are addicted to easy entertainment. How reading books improves the mind. Reading books makes the brain stronger. It improves thinking. It improves concentration. It improves memory. When you read, you focus on one thing. This is rare in today's world. Most people jump from one video to another. Books train you to stay with one idea. Reading books and language skills. Reading books improves vocabulary. It improves sentence formation. It improves grammar naturally. People who read regularly speak better. They write better. They express ideas clearly. This is why good speakers are usually good readers. Books and knowledge. Books contain knowledge collected over hundreds of years. Years of mistakes. You can learn from the success and failure of others. This makes you wiser. Books and confidence. When you read more, you know more. When you know more, you feel confident. Confidence does not come from showing off. Confidence comes from understanding. Books build silent confidence. Books and discipline. Reading is a habit. Habits build character. If you can sit and read for 30 minutes daily, you can do many difficult things in life. Reading trains discipline. Does everyone need to read the same books? No. Everyone has different interests. Some like novels, some like biographies. Some like self-help, some like history. The goal is not what you read. The goal is that you read. Books versus social media. Social media gives fast pleasure. Books give slow growth. Social media entertains. Books educate. Media wastes time. Books invest time. Choose wisely. Real life example. Two people start life at the same level. One watches videos every free hour. One reads books 30 minutes daily. After 5 years, they are not equal. One has better thinking. One has better communication. One has better opportunities. Small daily habits create big difference. Common excuse: I don't like reading. Nobody is born loving books. Love develops with practice. Start small. 5 pages daily. 10 minutes daily. Slowly increase. Are books old-fashioned? No. Knowledge never becomes old. Only format changes. Printed book or digital book. Both are fine. Content matters. Should children read books? Yes. Early reading builds strong brain. Children who read become better learners. Parents should encourage reading, not force thought. Reading books will not make you rich overnight. Reading books will not make you famous tomorrow. But reading books will slowly make you smarter. And smart people create better lives. So should everyone read books? Yes. Not because someone said so. Not because it is trendy. But because reading makes you better than yesterday. Start today.